Let's see how to edit WhatsApp API profile information. Go to Dashboard. Now, here you can see on the right side your profile picture, WhatsApp display name, about and other information. To edit this information, click on Insights on Meta. It will redirect you to WhatsApp Manager. Click on this gear icon, then Profile. You can change your profile picture from here. You can edit your business category. Enter business description. Business address. Email ID. Websites or social pages. And click on Save. Now go back to WaBM. Refresh the page and go to Dashboard. Now you can see your WhatsApp information has been updated.